गब्बर भैया या अनु 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 ये अनु चूचा चूचा दिख रहा है अरे उसे चूचा अनु अनु oh thanks संजय हाँ जी संजय जी What बापू 6 मिनट दे Thank you. How are you? आपको थोड़ा इंग्लिश शब्द बोल दिया है गाजी फटाफट लेना है and something. Are we going up? Bagu? Bagu, please, Bagu. Sanjay, look after us. Let's go. Take us on the stage. Huh? Take us. Let's go and talk.
Without wasting much time, my friends, I'd like to take this opportunity. If you are enjoying watching the first half of Ram Shastra produced under the prestigious banner of Feroz Nadiadwala and presented by the House of Kedia, one of the leading liquor companies in the country, who have been behind the making of this vibrant movie. The editor, Mr. Afaq Hussain Sahab. Can we have you on stage, sir? Mr. Afaq Hussain, can we have the flowers? आप तालियां जरा जोर से बजाइएगा। पिक्चर देखने के बाद जोश तो आए। Anu, can we have you on stage, please? A big hand for one of the most successful music directors of our time, Anu. Flowers, please. Now, coming to the people who are the performers who are on the screen. Can we have you on stage? A big hand for Anu Agarwal. I call her the woman of substance. Mr. Khanna agrees with me. And now, a big hand. Could we have some star on the side too? और अब जैसे मैंने कहा
प्रीमियर पे आए
हाँ ब्रो हाँ एनीवे हैव अ गुड टाइम। ज़्यादा टाइम आप लोगों का वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहूँगा। आधे पिक्चर से हम लोग एंट्री दिए, सॉरी। हाँ नहीं मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगा नहीं, क्या बोलूँ।
Now is the time. आगे बढ़े। अब जिसकी बदौलत ये इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्म बनी है, सब लोग यहाँ मौजूद हैं, लेकिन we must have a captain of the ship ना। The young dynamic director Sanjay Gupta. Big hand for him. Such a young director, such a young age. It's very, very creditable. And now, of course, the man who's produced this great film, Ram Shastra, under a very prestigious banner, the chairman of Bays Industries Limited, Mr. Feroz Nadiadwala. Sir, a big hand for Mr. Nadiadwala. Feroz, आप कुछ बोले, please. You should. First hand.
I would like to thank all my technicians, my director, especially my editor Fakushan, my artist. I got a lot of cooperation from them. I'm really thankful to them. Thank you.
Last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, मैं आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी कि आप यहाँ आए. And we must thank the sponsors of the show without which this premiere would not have been possible. The KDR Group of Industries, CPA, Core Celebra, Percept Advertising, and once again, आप सब हाज़रीन का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Good night. खुदा हाफिज. शब का खैर.